welcome to Code Fun with me, Rozzie. So good to see you, my friend. Come on, me waia te tātou. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, kei te pehea koe. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me, and there's someone else here at Code Fun too. Digi! Oh. Digi! 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 Huh. I wonder where Digi is. Maybe if we both call out Digi together, then Digi will come. Okay, call out Digi on the count of 3. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Digi! Can you hear that? I think it's working. Let's try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Digi! Whoa! There you are, Digi. I can still see you, Digi. What a tricky trickster. Tēnā koe, Digi.
Kia ora!
Now that we're all here, are you ready to have lots of fun? Ka rawe, hoa ke tātou. Have you ever seen one of these before? It's a drum, he Aotearoa. It's a conga drum. I make sound by using the palms of my hands and gently patting the drum like this. Hey, Digi!
Kia ora! Whoa, that sounded so cool. Can you show me how to do that, Rozzie?
Sure. Digi really wants to play.
Uh-huh.
Will you help me show Digi how to play a beat? Great! Let's do it. If you want to see a robot drum, here's what to do. They need a list of instructions from me and from you. If you make the instructions clear, we'll be just fine. Let's code this robot one step at a time. Remember, code is another word for instructions. Digi won't know how to play a beat until we give instructions. First up, I'll show you so that we can help Digi together. You don't need a drum to play the beat. You could pretend that your legs are the conga drum and gently pat them like this. Okay, are you ready? Great! Let's play a beat together. Follow me. Left, right, left, right. Both, both, both. Ka rawe! You played a beat. Well done. Let's show Digi. Oh, te rohia! Check it out. Digi has a drum now too. Okay, Digi. First of all, you need to hit the drum. Whoa! Okay, no problem. My fault. Digi, could you get that drum for me, please?
Sure.
Whoops. I forgot. Robots need clear instructions. Me ngana anō. Let's try that again. Okay, Digi. Put your hands out over top of the drum. Now remember, Digi, when I say hit the drum, you need to hit the drum gently.
Got it. Ka pai.
Okay. Are you ready? Cool. Join in and pat your legs with me. Okay, here we go. Left, right, left, right. Both, both, both. Great work, Digi. I think you've got it. Do you think you can remember all of those instructions, Digi?
No worries.
Great. Let's all play a beat together. Ready, set, go. Left, right, both, both, both. Again. Wow. And stop. Nice one, Digi. Nana, we did it. You helped me give clear instructions so Digi could play a beat.
Whoa!
Tēnā koe I tō āwhina. Thanks for your help, my friend. Hey there! Do you know what this instrument is called? It's called a violin. He tōiri. Whakarongo mai. Oh, I know a really fun game we could play with this violin. It's a game where you need to listen and follow the instructions, just like a robot. Come on, stand up and find some room. That's it. Here are the instructions. If you hear this, then you need to take a step backwards. And if you hear this, then you need to take a step forwards. And if you hear this, then you need to step to your left and to your right. And if you hear this tune, then you need to spin around. Are you joining in? Great! I think we're ready to play. Hey, Digi.
Whakarongo.
I think Digi's telling us we need to ate whakarongo. Listen carefully so we know which way to move. Thanks, Digi. Okay, are you ready now? Great. Kara whiua. Here we go. E nā te ngahau o tēnā kēmu. It was such a fun game. You're really good at following instructions. Digi thinks so too. Well done, my robot friend. Code Fun! We've had so much fun on Code Fun today. But now it's time to say goodbye. Hey, Digi.
Hey, Rozzie. I've come to say goodbye with you.
Cool! Me waia te tātou. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. On this beautiful day, ka kite. Ka hoki mai anō, or in other words, we'll be back again. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō e hoa. Come back next time.
Ka kite.